Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 12 of my Tag a Day November. For today's tag, let's start with this. I used this paper from Not Too Shabby, Christmas in the Forest. It was part of the October 2022 Paper Pad Club, but I think it's still available. Everything will be linked in the description box if I can still find it. This is just such a beautiful paper pad. Some really cute designs like this little deer. I can't wait to use it more. Sorry, my voice is funky today. I love these cut aparts. I think that they will be easy to use and they're just so sweet. So anyways, Christmas in the Forest paper from Not Too Shabby. And I will save that for the end. I used some Honeybee Hugs and Kisses gem stickers. I have to say, I got this early this year and I still have so many. I'm really liking how many come on. Oh, excuse me. I am just having a horrible time today with my voice. I like how many come on it and how many uses you can get out of them. So I might look into getting more of those Honeybee gem stickers because they definitely last a long time. For the tags, I used the Sunny Studio Build a Tag 1. Still loving these dies from Sunny Studio. And then, since it is the last day of sneak peeks for Craft and Kimmy, I did use the Skating Friends stamp set. Those fun critters again, and they're skating, gliding by to say hi, have a nice day. Oh, what fun, friends warm the heart. Just so fun, and my favorite character is the little bird. So fun. And that will be releasing later on today. So you can grab all the Craft and Kimmy products, which, if you remember, there was the snowball fight, there was the holiday sentiments, and then I didn't share, there's a new stencil. I like it, comes in 3 pieces. It's called Crafty Scenery 4. I made some clouds with it, but it has moons, it has trees. This will be a very, very useful, versatile stencil. And then the cool crystals. This is beautiful, oh so gorgeous. So all of those will be released later today in the Craft and Kimmy shop. So for my card, I used those Skating Friends and that cool crystals stencil, and then just this is an old My Favorite Things Blueprints die. I don't think it's well, it might be available. If it is, I'll list it below. I think it's Blueprints 27. Now that I think about it, there's those Honeybee gems gliding by to say hi. There's the inside. And I just love the bird. Yes, so cute. And then my tag with that paper. And I had to add the other little bird and the raccoon and the bunny. Just thought it turned out so cute. There's the back. A little bit hangs over, but I think that kind of adds to it. So there is my tag for day 12. I will be back tomorrow for day 13. And I hope you have a fabulous day. Go do something crafty. Later on today, do some Craft and Kimmy shopping. And why not make a tag? Have an amazing day. Bye.